Warmly welcome to our YouTube channel Geviliya Cooking, which shows you various methods of traditional cooking in Sri Lanka. Today also we are going to show you uh, a food item using manioc yams. First, our village woman is collecting some manioc from her home garden. Sri Lankans usually eat manioc, boiled manioc with scraped coconut and chili sambal. In addition, they sometimes prepare a curry similar to potato curry. In addition, they fry manioc chips. Actually, it is very delicious. Now she is getting ready to peel the manioc. As she says, she has named her YouTube channel as Geviliya Cooking because she prepares all these food items with the ingredients collected from her home garden. Now she has finished peeling. Now she is going to make a tool with an empty tin. First she removes the lid of the tin, and then she is going to make holes with a pointed thin cable. Now she has finished making her tool and she is washing it now. Let's see what is she going to do. Now she is cutting a banana leaf. It is also from her home garden. Now she is going to scrape the manioc. Look how excellently the tool is working. Actually, the manioc is firmly scraped. When you work with that kind of tools, you must be careful, otherwise your fingers may be injured. Now she is going to squeeze the manioc using a piece of cloth. She is removing the juice of the manioc and it is collected to another pot which can be used later to make another food item. Actually, it is a sign of frugality of our village woman. You can see the manioc is thoroughly squeezed. Uh, Now she's grating the manioc with her fingers. Now she's going outside to remove the water, and you can see a kind of curdle substance in the bottom of the pot. Actually, it can be used later to prepare another food item. Now she's getting ready to scrape coconut. And now she's putting some salt to the manioc flour, and she adds the scraped coconut also. And she's mixing the three things together. After that, she's adding some rice flour also. She adds it to reduce the wetness of the manioc flour. Otherwise, it may be sticky. Today, she is going to make manioc pittu in two different ways. You can see traditional indigenous steamer. This is steamer made out of a piece of bamboo, and she put base made out of a piece of coconut shell to the bottom of the steamer, and she's filling this steamer with the mixture. And now she's adding some water also, and stirs well and fills the steamer with the mixture. Now she's getting ready to put the steamer on the hearth. It is on the pot of water, and the steamer must be thoroughly kept. Now she is getting ready to make another food item with eggs. She breaks the eggs and put it into a pot. Now she keeps the pieces of banana leaves on the hearth in order to make them more flexible. Actually, Sri Lankans use banana leaf as food wrappers. Uh, when you wrap food in banana leaves, it becomes very delicious. And now she puts the banana leaves in a pot, and the eggs is stirred well, and pour in onto the banana leaf. And she is keeping the pot on the hearth now, and close the lid. The steamer should be kept for about 15 minutes or 20 minutes on the hearth. Now she is getting ready to make another pittu in another way. She's tying a piece of cloth on the mouth of a pot. First, it is halfly filled with water, and she has put some two coconut leaves and fill it with the mixture, and she put a hole in the middle of the pittu, and then she closes it with another pot, and now the egg is well cooked. And she keeps the pittu on the hearth. Now she is going to remove the banana leaves the eggs are well cooked, and now she is cutting them. Actually, they are similar to pieces of butter. Look at that indigenous steam. You can see some water drops and vapor coming out of the top of the mold. And now the pittu is ready. She pushes it with a pole from the bottom, and then the coconut shell base should be removed. The other pittu also is being cooked yet. It is also now ready. Uh, she keeps it out of the pot. Actually, it is smelt well. Now she is going to make the egg curry. She puts some coconut oil and then uh, grated ginger and garlic is added, and then she adds some lemongrass, curry leaves, and stirs well. And she adds some chopped onions and tomatoes, and she adds some green chili also and stirs well. She adds some chili, and then she adds some pepper also, because Sri Lankans usually prefer hot curries. Now she is adding some salt and saffron also. Now the cut eggs is added, and mixes well. And now she is adding some water. Actually, it is going to be a delicious curry. Now she is going to taste the taste of the curry. Actually, this curry is well smelled. It is ready now. Now the pittu is ready. Unless you have subscribed our YouTube channel Geviliya Easy Cooking, please subscribe it today itself, and press the bell icon also. Then you can see more these kind of videos later. Thanks for watching.